Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to make a video about this piece of shit Volvo that is a pain in the ass to remove the steering angle sensor and the airbags. Most of the Volvo, the airbag have only these pop clips over here. See these clips right here? I was trying to remove this clip with a screwdriver. I just bent the shit out of the screwdriver and it didn't work. And then I saw that this comes with two screws, one on each side. Right here, see, look. And they are.
¿Quieres el volante para que
So, okay.
estés diciendo que es una gran shit?
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the steering wheel here. This is the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. Here is where these two clips goes on this hole right here. Even I removed some chunk of the steering wheel right here, and over here you'll see the screwdriver. See the screw bolt, and I don't think you can see it, but let me see if I can zoom in. All right. Let me see. So see it right there. You see the screw. Let me focus this thing right there. The screw is even. They got stripped because someone that previous owner that had the car to work on this thing, and they stripped the crap out of this screw, and then it was hard to remove it. We had to just like drill it and use some screw extractor. This is the one that it got completely busted. I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna change it or I don't know yet, or we're just gonna put it back. But see this one is completely destroyed inside there, and I don't know if we're gonna find a way to get it out. This is the one that is bad, and we have to use screw extractor, drill bit in the screw extractor. We drill, and these are some of the tools that we went and bought, but it didn't work. And this is the one. No, this is not the one. And this is the one that we use. This type of screw, just drill the screw. You just drill it in little with a small drill bit, and little by little, and then we use this one. We pound it with a screwdriver, and then it came off.
Beautiful. La pieza.
Yeah, and then here, this is the new sensor. That's the old one right there. That's the old one. Yeah. This is a 2007 Volvo xc70 cross country. I've seen some video about how to remove this damn thing, but this one was a pain in the ass, because it looked like when they tied this screws, when they tied it in, they tied it too hard, and I'm pretty sure they use what is this called,
wrench.
they torque this down. That's where it was very, very hard to and see, this is the new one right here. Got the new sensor. That's trying to remove the old one, right? Okay, so yeah, this is the new one right here, and it comes with some screws. See, there's no way that this thing is gonna move anywhere because it has a screw while it's brand new. And then yeah, you just put it on, and then before you do that, make sure you remove this screw because otherwise you're gonna end up busting the sensor again. And that's the old one. And here's the new one.
Pero este no es, güey. No, just kidding.
And see, this is the when you put this in, make sure those
Pins.
clips,
Los pins.
those pins, they get plugged in. They go right in there in the white plug right there. Make sure you plug them in there and make sure you don't bend it because then it's gonna be a pain in the ass again. And just push it down, and that's how you do it. Yeah, and then put the screw back on. Like I said, it was a pain in the ass. This kind of you can buy this kind of set of screw remover. Like when they're stripped, they just drill as long as the little head of the screw is big enough to drill it and put the and this one can go in. So this one you can buy it at O'Reilly, and just like about what, $4, $5, $6. And like I said, if you're struggling in the 2007 Volvo xc70 cross country station wagon, because this is a station wagon, you're gonna have a lot of problem doing this. See, I seen some videos on YouTube, and they just show up. Oh yeah, you need to push these clips and boom, it will pop right out. No, this is not the case for this kind of car. This was a pain in the ass because this is the screw that goes in each side and then in the other side, and it took just about an hour work. It takes over 3 hours just to do this, because I was trying it a day before just by removing the clips, but that wasn't the case. The clips got a little bended. I janked the crap out of it, and it's not working because it has the screws that is holding this. And like I said, see, this is the airbag. Make sure when you do this, make sure you remove your battery terminal, negative or positive, whatever you wanted to remove, as long as there's no power on it, or you will end up with a broken nose. And we got this one. Okay, and my friend here, he knows a lot about cars, so I had to call him, and he's saying make sure you use the right tool, because we don't have the right tool for this car. But the right tool, it would be a hex bit, like this one. It's gonna be something like this, but the screw, I think, is
30 or 27.
this is the right bit. But this one, since there's make sure you get the longer one, make sure you get the longer tip, because this one is kind of like hard to put it in, since there's the steering wheel side is there, but it's a T30 on the screw. And make sure you use the right tools. We did this and we're struggling. Even we have some of the tools, but we never thought that we're gonna need a hex bit like this one. This is the right tool that you need, but make sure it's a T30 and it's this long, so that way you can use it like a ratchet here, to remove it, or you can just you can turn this. You have to turn this the steering wheels sideways. Many people turn it this way, and I turn it like sideways toward the door, so that way it doesn't really work. And make sure you don't move that, and if you move it, just make sure you count the movement the round movement you do.
La otra pieza.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. So then we need the steering wheel. Then it's time to put it back. But we're gonna see if we can try to get this the screw. So here is. This should have one focus. Here is the screw the one that got messed up. See, it got stripped. It was stripped before, so now we're gonna go either we're gonna go O'Reilly, see if we can find this kind of screw. And see, here's the other one. This one's still good, but it was almost to the point of getting stripped because, like I said, the previous owner they stripped it out, and this is not good. You know, it will make your life hard and your job hard. Trying to take this off, and look, there are T30 hex bit. See, we're gonna compare both of them. See how fucked up it is? Well, okay, so we're just gonna put this back, and then we're gonna go back to the auto part to try to get some of this screw, because they're all jacked up. I mean, we can use it and put it, just tie it like by hand tie, but no, this is gonna be no, it's not going in right. Look, it's off. So now we're putting this plastic piece back to the where it belongs. We had to remove it just to remove the anti-skid sensor, anti-skid angle, whatever you call this sensor. It's cost about 180 online. I don't know how much is at the dealership, but see, this is where the screws goes in. Then we're gonna go find two more. You go in each side like that, and then the clips goes here. But if you have I believe from 2000 and from 2005 to 2007, I believe they're kind of like similar to this design that I've seen in most of the Volvo. You just pop the clips open, or you just pop the clips from here, and then the airbag will just pop out. But this one, it didn't. It just was struggling a lot, and the person that owned this car previously, like I said, they messed it up. They knew, they just put it like that. They didn't care, and then we end up doing this, and it's messed. It's a complete mess. You know, if you own something like this and you want to sell your car, and then you just leave a strip screw in there, just remove it. Try to do it the best you can yourself, and use the right tools, because when you don't use the right tools, that's when you strip those kind of screws easy. All right, so this is set for now, and this is the steering wheel. The steering wheel bolt. It's a 18 millimeter, and that's this goes right there on the center. And all right, that should be pretty much everything. You know, this is like just a 30 minutes, 35 minutes the most to an hour job, but it took longer than that. All right, so thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you and have a nice day.